Hi! In front of me is Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus, and today I would like to show you how you can set up screen lock. Begin by going into Devices Settings and scrolling down to access Lock Screen. Following that, click on Screen Lock Type at the top and click on one of those login methods, PIN, password, or pattern. After selecting the perfect one, you need to create it. Tap on Continue at the bottom right corner and repeat it in order to confirm it. When you're done, select Confirm. Now manage lock screen notifications by adjusting all of those options, or disable them completely by hitting blue switcher at the top. When you're finished, tap on Done. Then decide if you want to turn on a remote unlock by clicking on one of those options in the pop-up. So finally, when I switch off my screen, then turn it back on, I can see that pattern is now required. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!